Good morning, children. This is Manoj Kumar, working in Oxford High School, Uppugunduru. Welcome to social class. Now I am going to introduce first lesson, sixth class, our Earth in the solar system. In the previous session, I explained you regarding semester-wise. Introduced the lessons in this particular academic year. First semester, first lesson, I am going to introduce. Few questions I will ask. Generally in the summer, what we will do, night time what we will do, not morning time. Don't say regarding morning time, sir, we will play in the morning time, we'll go early morning, we will come back evening after playing cricket, different kinds of games, we will come back. Don't say like that. Night time, after completing your dinner, what you will do? Earlier, nowadays it is not possible, everybody sleeping in the houses only. But few years back, 10 years back, most of the people, they slept outside of their houses. Okay, by that time, what you will observe, what they will observe, they will observe the stars, twinkling stars in the sky, isn't it or not? Many objects we can observe while sleeping in the outside of our house, isn't it or not? The sky, the moon, twinkling objects, everything we are able to observe in the night sky. By that time, we may wonder why these objects, these bodies are twinkling. What is the reason for that? Such a questions frame in our mind, isn't it or not? If you see in the morning time, why these twinkling objects, that means night time, what we are observing, stars, moon, we are observing these stars and moon. Is it possible to observe in the morning time? No. Why we are unable to observe these twinkling objects in the morning? Such a questions arise in our mind. The reason is simple. Especially the shiny star stops the, okay na, these objects, stop these objects to, okay, appear in the morning. Especially regarding sun, we know that is a big shiny star. It stops all the objects to appear in the morning. In simple words, what I have written here, see, at night what do we observe in the sky? Just now I told you, twinkling objects, nothing but stars, then the moon. So we are observing these twinkling objects and the moon. Do you wonder? Do you surprise? Wonder means surprise. Do you surprise why we can't see bright and tiny objects during daytime? Simple. Bright light of the sun does not allow to see all these brighter objects of night sky. Okay, na? So, what we can say? The sun, the moon, stars. Okay, then planets, everything we can say celestial bodies. Very, very, very important. The sun, the moon, objects shining in the night sky. Objects shining in the night sky, in the sense stars. Okay, the sun, the moon, objects shining in the night sky, and other bodies like earth are called the celestial bodies. So, in examination point of view, for one mark question, this is very important. Which are called the celestial bodies? The sun, the moon, the brighter objects in the sky, the shining objects in the sky, the earth, other objects, other bodies are called celestial bodies. Okay, na? Do you understand? So, this is about celestial bodies. Regarding celestial bodies, in upcoming classes, I will explain you very clearly. Okay, na? So regarding comets, regarding, okay na, stars, everything we will discuss afterwards. Here you try to understand what is celestial bodies, which are called celestial bodies. The sun, the moon, the stars, that means shining objects in the sky, then the earth, the planets like earth and other bodies, these are all called as celestial bodies. Up to here you have clear cut idea. Do you understand? Up to here. See, regarding celestial bodies we are discussing. Some celestial bodies are very big and hot. They have gases. Okay, na? They are shining its own. Okay, by using its own heat, it is shining. See, some celestial bodies are very big and hot. They are made up of gases. Celestial body is nothing but the sun, the moon, the objects shining in the night sky, the planets, everything comes under celestial bodies. Some celestial bodies are very big and hot. It is made up of gases. They are their own heat. Especially some celestial bodies. We are talking about some celestial body. Some celestial bodies have their own heat and light. These celestial bodies are called stars. If you see, especially in the sky, at night time, if you see the sky, stars are twinkling. Stars are twinkling. Why we are receiving shine from the sun? We have different reasons. It is the nearest star to our planet. Which is the nearest star? Yes, sun is the nearest star to us. That's why, by using the sunshine, then earth, that means then here light is possible. We are observing the light in the earth. Otherwise we can't see anything on the earth. See, here point is some celestial bodies shining its own light and shine. See, they are their own heat and light. Okay, na? Regarding some celestial bodies, we are talking about some celestial bodies are own heat and light. They are called stars. They are called stars. Stars exposing their own heat and light. Okay, see, the sun is a star. Okay, na? The sun is a star. It has own heat and light. Which has own heat and light? Sun has own heat and light. So, sun is a star. We know that one. Do you understand? Sun is a star. But countless twinkling stars in the night sky are similar to the sun. They are far away for us. If you have many doubts, sir, why we are receiving the sunshine, that means shine from the sun, sir, it is a little bit so nearer to us. That's why we are receiving the shines of the sun. But if you see remaining stars, even though these tiny stars are appearing, very small, but we are unable to receive the shines from the stars, remaining stars. Why? Because these stars are far away from us. This is simple reason. Okay, na? Yourself, you question. Why we are receiving the shine from the sun? Why we are unable to receive the shine from other stars? Yourself, you pose such kind of question. And, then these questions are called as thought-provoking questions. Try to find out the answers. Note down. Note down the answers. Many answers will come. Okay. Some celestial bodies do not have their own heat and light. Up to now, what we discussed, some celestial bodies having their own heat and light, like stars, sun, example. But some celestial bodies do not have their own heat and light. Okay, na? Own heat and light. They are lit by the light of the stars. By using the stars' light, these celestial bodies lit, brighten. Lit means brighten, shine. For example, our Earth. Okay, now how many planets we have? You know how many planets we have? Yes, we have 8 planets. These 8 planets, by using the light of the stars, these bodies, that means these, so especially Earth, Mercury, Venus, these are all shining. Do you understand? You have clear. Some celestial bodies do not have their own heat and light. They are lit by the light of the stars. Okay, na? especially planets. For example, planets. These are planets, satellites, asteroids, meteoroids, comets, etc. Okay, now regarding this clear explanation, okay, elaborate explanation, later point of time I will give you, no problem. The planets, satellites, asteroids, meteoroids, comets, these are all not shining, okay na, only in their own not shining these objects by using the star shines, okay na, light of the stars, these are all shining. Which one? Yes, planets, comets, satellites, asteroids, meteoroids, everything. Do you understand? For example, if you see Earth is a planet. Okay, now by using the sunlight, it is brightening, it is shining. We have, okay, now that means Earth have one satellite, that is nothing but Moon. Moon is our companion. It is moving around the Earth. Which is moving around the Earth? The Moon is moving around the Earth. Okay, na? So we call it is our companion. Like every planet have their own satellites. Do you understand? These satellites, by using the shine of the, okay na, so stars, these are all brightening, shining. These planets have some satellites. Our nearest, okay na, so especially our Earth satellite is Moon. If you go far off place, that means some, okay na, far off place, by observing the Earth, it is look like a shiny object. For example, from here in the night time, if you observe the Moon, it is look like a tiny shiny object. It is look like a tiny means a small shiny object. Okay na? If you go, okay na, then far off place, then if you see the Earth, it is also appear same like Moon. No doubt, it is also appear same like Moon. Do you understand? Okay now, up to now, what we discussed about celestial bodies. Some celestial bodies have their own heat and light. Some celestial bodies, for example, some celestial bodies have their own heat and light. Example, stars. Some celestial bodies not have their own heat and light. Okay na? So by using the stars light, these bodies lit, shine. For example, okay na, then the planets, asteroids, meteoroids, comets, these are all called as, yes, okay na. So these are also celestial bodies. These are not having their own heat and light. This is the topic up to now we discussed. Okay na? Thank you.